hack is not user friendly, I swear. So basically, I saw this anti creasing hack on TikTok and Instagram where this person mixed a setting powder with the concealer and applied it under her eyes, and she had the most flawless under eyes. But for me, it was a mess and it wasn't blending. It was actually a blending nightmare. So, no. Instead, I blended it out with my fingers and then it looked much better. So, my verdict, not for a beginner. Well, for color corrector, I learned this pro tip that after blending the color corrector, leave it on for at least 30 seconds. After that, when you apply concealer on top of it, it will give you a very flawless finish. And trust me, it has worked for me. I just found the best hack for putting highlighter equally on the cheeks. Want to know why I love it? Because I applied highlighter to my cheeks perfectly. No mistakes. I have never achieved this so easily on the first try. I look like a ghost. We will make this work. Now, this is a pro tip. If I've learned it, you can learn it too. Just take any bronzer and an angled brush. Now, swirl, dab, apply it under your chin, a bit on the face, a little on the forehead. And if you want to do your nose as well, just add the remaining of your nose. Blend everything. This will warm up the foundation